AAHH. Oh, it's just this phone on my notebook backside. Hello? Who is this? No, I'm asking you, who?
A clue! A clue!
Who? I'll be with you in just a second. I'm trying to figure out who.
No, it's a clue!
A clue. You see a clue. Oh, I see a clue too. And it's on this sound. What is this sound?
A squeak sound.
A squeak sound. Okay. We know what to do. Put it in our handy-dandy notebook. Let's draw some oval shapes to help us remember the sound. There. Squeak is our third clue. You know what that means. We are ready for our
Thinking chair!
thinking chair. Come on.